In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in a Smartsheet dashboard. Today, we'll break it down step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable crafting tables that effectively present your data. Let's dive in. First, we need to create a report. This report will serve as the foundation for the table in your dashboard. To start off, locate the sheet where your table data currently resides. This is your source, the document containing all the information you want to present. With your source sheet ready, go to the top navigation bar in Smartsheet and click on Create, followed by selecting Report. Reports in Smartsheet are powerful tools that allow you to pull data from sheets and compile it in a way that's easy to digest and manage. Think of it as extracting and organizing key pieces of information, so your table doesn't just end up being a wall of text, but instead a clear, insightful summary. After choosing to create a report, follow the prompts to select the sheet with your table data. You'll have the flexibility to decide which specific rows and columns you want to pull into your report. This feature is helpful if you're focusing on particular aspects of your data, ensuring that only the most relevant information makes it into your table. Customize your report settings, then save once you're satisfied. It's important at this stage to review everything, ensuring data accuracy since this report will become your table's backbone. Now that your report is ready, we can shift our focus to embedding it into your dashboard. Begin by navigating to your dashboard. You'll need to enter Edit mode, which you can do by clicking on the Edit button at the top of the dashboard. Editing is where you get to shape your dashboard, and in this instance, bring your data to life. Now click on Add Widget. A widget in Smartsheet is essentially a container or box that holds content like charts, reports, text, and in our case, the report which will act as our table. After selecting Add Widget, choose the Report option. Once you click Report, you'll be prompted to select the report you've just created. By doing this, your report is displayed directly on the dashboard in a grid view that functions much like a table. This view is similar to a spreadsheet format, offering ease of reading and interaction. You can resize and reposition the widget on the dashboard to ensure it fits seamlessly with other elements you might have. So, that's it. With these steps, you've successfully created a table in your Smartsheet dashboard, combining the raw power of reports with the sleek presentation of a dashboard. You can always go back and make edits to your report or the dashboard layout to keep things fresh and up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!